Hey everyone, welcome back aboard the Crazy Train. This is the Crazy Canuck from Saskatchewan, Canada. And today is a little harvest season update. Been away from the videos for a while, had some serious technical difficulties. So we're going to be trying some short videos here to see if I can fix the problem. So what I'm going to do is, since it's harvest season, I am going to do some grain harvesting and some highlights of the different varieties. Now the first one here is Mirabella. This is the one that was grown in the circles out in the garden, and it did really well. So I'm first going to give you the what the Coosa Seed Society says about it. It says it's a landrace wheat spring growth habit from ancient Italy, and you can probably read the rest of that. It grows 30 to 84 inches. Now last year in another part of the garden it grew 6 feet high. This year it grew between 4 and 5 feet high. Really nice, really nice wheat to grow. Really big heads. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'd imagine this should be a high yielder in a field situation. So what I do for harvesting is I take the heads off, I put them into the food processor, which I have originally duct taped the blades so they don't cut. It's kind of dulled out now, so that's not much of an issue. So I put the heads in there, and then turn it on, do a little tilt, get them moving around in there, and then once I take it from there, I'll take the lid off, pull the blade out, take this off, take the hopper off, move over to my fan, turn the fan on high, just an old house fan, pour the grain in front of it, which will blow off all the chaff, and you are left with very nice wheat. And this is as far as I am concerned, this is like a Durham style wheat. Not quite sure what its claim to fame, whether it's a pasta or noodle wheat or if it's a bread wheat, but once I have enough of it to experiment with, we'll find out. But this is a beautiful wheat to grow. Seems to stand up very well even in the small plots and high winds. It did really well. So that's Mirabella from ancient Italy, from originally from the Coosa Seed Society in California. And if I get my technical issues fixed, then we will have some links in the description box below. Now, as far as growing this, it was harvested here a couple weeks ago, so it was actually ready long before a lot of the other grains that I've planted. So your grow season on this actually isn't too bad. So even during shorter grow seasons with lower heat units, it still does really well. So that's the profile for Mirabella wheat. Nice short video. We'll see if I get my technical difficulties fixed, and we'll move on to more videos as I can get to them. So, as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word, let's grow some food.